TikTok sing off.
Part 17.
How many parts are we going to go? Are we going to go to 100? 200?
I mean, if TikTok's still alive by then, why not?
We'll see. Who knows how long TikTok will last?
And how many collaborations this guy can get.
He's back with Eltazia Natasha. It's like her last name is actually her first name.
It was a little switch up going Korean style.
Yeah.
I gotta admit, I don't know any of the songs in the title. QQ, Greedy, and Terminator.
We haven't been reacting much lately to songs.
I do know the movie Terminator, but I don't know if they're gonna be singing.
I'll be back.
Oh, yeah. I can see them. I can see that when whipping it. You never know with these, though.
Yeah,
you never know.
Anyways, let's check this out. Hopefully, you guys enjoy. Here we go. That might be why you don't know it.
Yeah.
That was in the title, and that's all they did.
Must have been like some sort of dance trend or something. I don't know. Ooh. Oh. The last one we reacted to, they had the campfire, and they got the campfire again. They're getting nice and warm.
Back!
He's got the sweatshirt on. It's a bit chilly in there, but he's got the nice campfire to warm him up.
It's always chilly in Indonesia.
Oh, yeah. And we know that because we went to Indonesia recently. We're actually posting our travel vlogs.
You can check it out in the pinned comment down below. We're posting our Indonesia vlogs right now in Jakarta.
Oh, my gosh. Tons of things. We just tried rendang.
Amazing. Back to it.
To know how you do it like that, I would want myself. Did it please believe me? I put you through hell. Just know me. All of my bridges been down. I've wasted night.
Oh, my.
Whoa, that was a long one.
That I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. And you're here in my heart, and my heart.
Celine Dion.
Their voices work very well together.
You take my hand and drag me head first. Feel like a
Oh.
Wow.
They're going through the songs quick.
It sounds like it's just one song because it's going so fast.
And what they're doing a lot in this one, which they haven't done in other ones, is they're kind of like not interrupting each other, but they start singing before the other person's finished the next song. So then it's just like a seamless transition.
That's really good.
Oh.
They got one mention.
They got one word. This is so good. That wasn't Arnold. I'm disappointed. Disliking the video. Goodbye. We're leaving.
The Terminator song sucks. Mr. Bryside?
You come back to me.
Oh, oh.
This gets too many. If we make errors, it's okay because we only have 100,000 subs, but he has 4 million, so no errors are allowed.
Mr. RZD, if you also correct that, we demand commission on the revenue you make
Yeah.
from this video because we helped you get more views.
Yeah,
That's how it works.
and
It's just
this-
the business world out there.
that's just how it is. It's a YouTuber 8 YouTuber world.
Listen, turning things into the cool down. You and me, we're face to face when we don't see eye to eye. Like fire and rain, you can drive
Ooh.
me insane, but I can't stay mad at you for anything. Janjiku takkan ku lepas wahai kau bidadariku dari surga untuk selamanya, untuk selamanya.
Wow, really good. That one was really, really good.
It's like looks like the GTA font, the wasted font.
And it looks like it wasted.
Oh,
Wow, they have a secret handshake. All right, TikTok sing up. It just seems like they're getting better and better. I mean, the production value is going up.
yeah. I mean, they just killed that. They just flew through songs. I wonder how many songs were in that. It's 4 minutes, but they at least like 50 songs
I
in
mean,
there.
some of them are literally one word.
Gento.
And then on to the next.
SB19 making a stand.
Gento. Yeah, so I mean, that was really, really good. Another TikTok sing off. I'm sure we'll have another one in 4 months.
Oh, yeah.
To react to. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed. Check out those Indonesia vlogs on
Very
our
epic.
travel channel. Link in the description. Link in the pinned comment. See you in the next one. Bye.